Okay, guys, welcome
Nope.
to...
Oh, yes, it is going. Go.
Really?
Yes.
Why would you do... Okay, we're doing a video. Let's just break right in. I don't know why I blocked knife away. Yes. Don't! You're supposed to be the cameraman.
I'm a woman.
This is not sponsored.
No, it's totally not sponsored by Pokemon. By the way, this is the Breakthrough Evolution box.
I've not had any of these.
It comes with Mandibuzz, Break, Arcane Break, a big Arcane Break
A
card, and then a Crobat
Crobat
Break. And
Let's see
5 packs, basically.
I thought
Wait,
you
Drew,
were gonna sit wrong.
let me get an aerial view of this. Hey, get out of the way. The fam needs to see it.
Okay, fam.
Okay.
Close time. Are these supposed to stick on? Hold on. Are these supposed to stick on here like that?
Yes. Okay, here's this beautiful artwork. And
Why the heck are they so hard to get out?
if you can see, it comes with Turbo Flame. And this is just a beautiful.
Who do you want to
Card.
see next?
Then we have the smaller version. We have Crobat.
I'm getting things set up over here. Don't mind me.
And we have Mandibuzz.
code, but I'm not showing it. Actually, we don't need it. Should I show it?
Nah.
Eh.
Let's
First
keep it.
person who gets it. We don't really use codes. My game broke, so I can't really use them.
Hand one over.
Why? No!
No, I get one. Give it.
No, you don't get to open one.
I'm lucky. Rat.
Always do the glade. Always do the glade. You're good at the glade. Go ahead and open 2. Good God, woman.
What do you want?
Hold on. Do you know how you use these? Shuffle
Okay,
Put
now-
this back, then shuffle 2 cards.
Now I have this.
I'm not doing it.
So I got. I'll show you guys if I get anything.
No!
worth
I'll show
showing.
him.
No, stop. I'll show you guys if I get anything worth
No,
showing.
they want to see every card.
No, that's lame.
That's how YouTubers
Oh,
do it.
that was good.
That's how
good.
YouTubers
No.
do it.
No.
Okay, actually show them.
I don't give a crap.
Well, these guys do. We got Happy? Yeah, I think that's
Hoppet.
Hoppet. Next card, we have a Fletchling.
This is going to be a 15-minute video of you just showing the cards, Drew.
Clutcher,
Just read the names off.
Naruto, Bill,
No, just read them off. and
Charmander, Tugla, Weevil,
Tangela, Weevil,
Weevil, Claw
Clawfossil.
Hold on, I think I have this guy. No. Nuzleaf, Godvor, Spirit Link.
Yeah, show us the other cards, boy.
Boy.
Bruh.
Okay.
Oh, yes, I am his sister, so I get to talk to him like this.
Yeah, Starmie, an energy, trainer, Metapod, the duo, Ponyta,
Yes,
Nidoran,
my
Seal,
faves.
Diglett, Pidgeot, Spirit.
Pidgeot.
Pidgeot, Spirit Link, which absolutely sucks. No, this one's special. That one's special. No, Monique, you're not doing that one.
Nope.
This one's for the fam. This one's for the last one. So look at the cards.
Okay, guys, comment down below with this next one. Who has the better cards? Okay. So I have
Obviously, it's gonna be you.
Voltorb, Weedle, Rattata, Tangela,
Holy crap!
Staryu,
Stuff.
a fat Pikachu. Oh my gosh, it's so
Oh!
fat. Oh, and then I got a Mega Pidgeot EX.
Take
Ha!
that out to the side.
Ha! In
Oh
your
my
face.
God.
I got a Magmar. I got a Here Comes Team Rocket trainer card. I got a Revive trainer, and then there is the code. Yes. Yes, of course, I'm awesome, and I got this.
I'm putting my. Okay,
Yes.
so I got. Oh my god.
I am so fabulous, I know.
I got Hypno. Great Ball. This card's actually good. Furfuru.
Hey, say the name at least.
Dual Blade.
Dual Blade? That one's not good.
I think got him. Slowpoke. Rattata.
Rattata.
Vitata.
Scorpy.
Hold on.
Panchomp.
Pancham.
Or Panchamp. Whatever.
I actually don't know this guy's name.
Oh, 4-seed.
And-
Pharaoh Seed. He's not my favorite.
I just got a Mega Spirit Link.
Let me see.
Scissors Spirit Link. Mega Scissors EX. So who's better? Pidgey or Spirit?
Mega Pidgeot EX.
No, this guy's also a Mega.
But it's a Spirit Link.
Yeah,
Drew.
same count. Still counts. Still counts, fam, right?
No, it doesn't.
Fam? Right, fam? Anyway, that's
Hey,
the best card ever.
Fam? No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does, fam. This is actually pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
And we got the special one.
Yeah, open it. Open it.
Monique, you call yourself luck just because you got that one primal card.
And those other few Mega
It could've been-
EXs.
Yeah, fair. We're gonna show off those at the end.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Whoa.
You guys,
Ooh, I'm not showing that one.
no, show it now. No.
That's actually a good card. Energy. Chinchino.
Oh, Chinchino's my favorite.
Wigglypuff.
Stop making voices or else I'll double slap you.
Runzer.
Did you see my Pokemon reference, Drew? Yeah, it was cringy, wasn't it? Shut up or I'll double slap you.
Slash Mr. Mime.
Slash Wiggly Tough, not Wiggly Puff, you doofus.
We got Ruru. Then we got Jigglypuff. We got Meowth.
I will pound you, Drew.
I knew you were gonna do that. We got Binacle?
Binacle.
Binacle. We got Enhanced Energy.
A special energy.
This one's too good to show.
Show it.
Aerodactyl.
It's just an Aerodactyl, Drew, seriously.
Yeah, Aerodactyl does it's a restored Pokemon. It does 120.
Yeah.
Is that good, fam? That's good, right? That's actually probably
Yeah, but it's not as good as my Mega...
by 10 damage.
Yeah.
This thing's as good as Mega. Almost.
Hey, hand it. 120,
130.
220. This has 100 more HP. Mine is 10 times better.
Yeah, but that doesn't count. I probably want to eat. Hold on, I probably will be able to use him. So, that's a good one.
Okay, bye, fam.
Hold on.
No, bye.
No, this is going on my channel.
No, bye, fam.
No, I probably just...
Fam, help me. He's running. Help me.
No, Monique, please. Please.
Fam, what do you think?
Please.
Maybe.
Look over here. Please. You can't see.
If you want me to zoom... Stop, I can zoom in, doofus.
Oh, so you couldn't zoom in before, now you can. You can chill.
I can zoom in whenever I want.
You guys playing?
Not much.
And then you play anything.
Oh.
What?
That was super zoomed in on your face.
What are those cards?
Pokemon.
I'm trying to find.
Those are.
Did you not notice you got a Pikachu?
Yeah, I got a shiny fat Pikachu. That was what the original Pikachu looks like, Drew. He's super fat.
I love how you call it fat.
Yeah, it's the freaking fat Pikachu. Chadwick,
Yeah.
isn't this what Pikachu used to look like?
Yeah. What is on?
He's so fat.
Way back when I was in high school.
Yeah.
When they came out.
I'm trying to see if I have this guy. The evolution of that guy. Did you not know that guy has an evolution?
I didn't think it's an evolution.
By the way, I beat you. I have your exact same card, except that sounded like a man burp.
Your point is?
Are you sure you're not bad?
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah, it was me.
So anyway,
I'm so ladylike.
How the heck do I not have this card? I thought you were gonna steal my pop. I'll dunk you and slap you if you did.
I will pound you into the ground.
Hold on.
Oh, I just thought of an idea for the skit. Well,
Actually,
Bye, fam.
Hold on. Aren't we gonna make a episode that we're gonna make our own deck?
we'll do an episode of that because at our local
When we got this.
comic shop,
Yeah.
we might be able to go to a Pokemon League.
If you guys want to join us, leave a comment down below. Hope you enjoy. Bloop. Did you already hang up?
Boo!